try to revisit the Diet Coke chug. Enough of that. I'm thirsty and Diet Coke is on the menu. So, enough talk. Let's see if I can get this down. When I was a kid, I used to watch it, and her favorite drink would be milk and Pepsi mixed together. First things first, I have to get rid of some of the Pepsi, right? I'm doing it the best way I know how. Now, I have to add milk to it. Ooh-wee! Oh my goodness. Vern, you was a wild girl. And I love it. Now the only bad thing was I threw the top away. But half thumb, well, I can mix it up this way. Oh, that wasn't smart. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness gracious!
This one's dedicated to you, Steve. I found it even more efficient to cook rice. It's in a pouch, it's ready to cook. It only takes 90 seconds. The ingredients on this, here you go. See, look, check it out. Water, grain, rice, oil. Oh, there it is. The third ingredient, sadness. Sadness, there it is, depression. Suicidal thoughts is actually the third ingredient.